All right, guys, it's time for another quick project. I have been dying to get this area cleaned up. It is our back door. We have our washer and dryer here, and then we have a ton of shoes, our diaper bag, miscellaneous things that we put down, drop on the floor when we get inside and we're in a rush, but it's time to get it all cleaned up, reorganized, and hopefully maintain it for years to come. So this is just a random shoe rack, and it's not the most sturdy. Our shoes tend to fall off quite often. So we're gonna get rid of it. It's not a bad shoe rack by any means, but it definitely could be better. Okay, so this is our new shoe rack. I wanted something that was gonna come up high under this little cabinet. It's kind of like a bar, but we don't ever sit here. It's not practical, and I wanted to use more space, airspace. And then I have a little plan for over here as well. But for now, I want to load up our shoes and just make sure that everything fits on here nicely. Get these stickers off. I'm sure I'll find more and more stickers as we go. I probably should have removed them after setting it up, but I always forget to do that. So I wanted the bottom shelf to be for our son's shoes, since he's little. These ones are a little dirty because they've been sitting underneath our winter tennis shoes for the whole last season. So I will clean these up, I promise. For us adults in the home, we have about enough room for 3 sets of shoes per shelf. And then the boots are a little bit tall, so I'm just laying them flat. And then I do have another son who's still a baby. He's 8 months actually today. I can't believe it. He is going to be wearing shoes fairly soon, but I'm really not worried about the space. I mean, there's another shelf here for an additional person. My husband and I don't need more than 3 pairs of shoes out here at a time, so we will adjust. We do have more shoes that were out, but since we're changing seasons, I'm just gonna put them away. And realistically, I could add another few pairs of shoes on the side, but we've got enough room here. Or I could lay them down flat, just like this, for the time being. So there's plenty of space on this. I think that we will have more than enough room for a while. And who knows, maybe I'll buy a second one. If I have to get to the point that I'll buy a second shoe rack, I might have to have a conversation with myself about getting rid of shoes. After these are up, wait 1 hour to make sure that they are sturdy before you put anything on there. So that should give my rug enough time to finish in the dryer, and we'll check back in an hour. Okay, it's been about an hour, so my idea was to hang our backpacks on these little hooks and our diaper bag. Ah! right now we've got the diaper bag and then like a little backpack for Oliver. Once we're done with the diaper bag, then Malcolm, our baby, is probably gonna have a little backpack of his own. So then we have a hook for each of them. And then when Oliver's a little bit older, he'll have his school bag, and then we can do the exact same thing. I have another set of 2, and I'm gonna actually put them up in their room on the back of the door, because we have 2 hooks that are pretty high up where I put their big winter coats. And then I want to put 2 of these hooks a little bit further down so they can reach and they have a little bit of extra space to put whatever they want. If it's another backpack or another light jacket. I think that these hooks are awesome and I'm so excited that I found them. I'm so happy. I just hope we can keep up on it, but I'll definitely update you in a year or 2 to come. I'll let you know how it turns out. For now, I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.